All right. So today, we're trading the 15-minute setup. I've talked about this in other videos. We talked about it in multiple videos. The 15-minute setup and how we're trading it, the candles, the patterns, and all that fun stuff. Gonna show you guys, I think it was like 3 trades, and then it kind of just, I'm at the point now where the market's at an all-time high, and I think there's just gonna be too much volatility right now for me. And the trend isn't going to be as strong. It's going to be just kind of like dangerous with the market at all-time highs, to have those drops, the pops, and all that fun stuff. So I'm going to show you guys 3 trades that I made today. The bad part about it is one of the trades I ended up getting stopped out, like literally just by the inches, just little centimeter too low on my stop. And ended up getting stopped out, but then we ended up making it back. And you'll see in the video how it all went down. But the 15-minute setup, it's working. I think, like I said, right now we're at like an all-time high, and the market's not going to like trend as much. Although it is going higher, the trends, the candles are just a little bit too volatile. And I'm going to show you guys the setups, the money, and all the fun stuff today. Trading, let's get into it, baby. Let's go. Friday morning, and we're getting going here, boys and girls. Friday morning. We're going to see what happens here. We got the first 15-minute candle about to open, looking to see if this is going to break to the downside here. We'll see what how this next candle opens here. Looks like we're probably going to end up getting short right out of the gates here. Let's see what happens if we break below that 202 area. See if we get a pull back down here, maybe 190s. So, market's at an all-time high. We had job reports comes out. It's off to the races. It's Friday. It's Friday morning, boys. It's Friday morning, boys. Let's see if it pushes below 201 here. Getting short there. Stop right there at 203. Looking for a pullback below 200 or more here. Taking a little bit profit at 198. Taking a little profit there at 197. Locking in profit here at our 3 handles. We still got 2 to go. We'll let this one ride. Moving our stop to break even there. Locking down some profit. We had a little, lost a little bit of money last night trying to get a short, or actually get a little trade going, like down like $26. But this is working out beautifully right now. And we are down to 196.25 now. This is literally on point, my friends. We're going to take that right there and going to lock it down. So, locking it in. That was about $100 in profit there on that opening trade. Our target entering there at the 200, break below there. This is the 15-minute setup that we've been talking about. I talked about this the other day. We talked about it the last few times we traded. That 15-minute setup, again, reiterating. So, in case you haven't watched the videos and you don't know what we're talking about, this 15-minute candle, it opens. This 15-minute candle closes with a low of 201. It closed right here at 202. We then break below that 201, the low of that candle. The high of this candle being 203. So we enter for the break below. Our stop is about 3 handles higher than that. And then we're looking to take profit 3 to 4 handles lower. And then getting even more down there to 195. So we got about, I think, 4 or 5 handles there in profit. Now we just sit back and we wait to see what happens with the next 15-minute candle. Really simple, really easy. It's not rocket science. That's why I love this setup, this trade, because it's really no over trading, no rushing, no doing anything stupid. We just wait for the rest setup. That's all we literally do. Now we see we have some support there at the 195 area, bouncing back there. So we locked in all that profit. Hey, if you guys are still watching, do me one big favor. If you haven't already, hit that like button. And also, let me know what you guys think about this new setup. What can I improve on? What can I do better? Do you think I should change anything, tweak it? What do you got? What are you guys thinking? Let me know about the 15-minute setup that you're seeing here in the video. All right, so now we're looking to see what happens with this next 15-minute candle. You can see the market bounced back from the lows there at the 195 area, now up there to 200 area. So we're looking to see where this next candle opens. If it's going to open and push above the high of this candle, can we get a continuation here and continue to push higher from there? So really, we're going to be looking for more of a long out of this open here. or the next candle. So see what happens. If it pushes above 212 here, right above 212 there, it's pushing above 212 there. We're going to jump in long with our stop right there at the 209 area, looking for this to push up. Give it a little bit of room here. Might get stopped out, a little bit of volatility, but see what happens. We are at all-time highs. Oh, yeah, we got stopped out. Give it one more chance here. I think this is just kind of that morning open. A little funky. I'm going to push above 214 or higher. Looking for 214. There we go, 215. Beautiful. Got two contracts left here. Gonna move those to basically right below break even. So we got stopped out like literally inches there. Just a few dollars shy. And we got to push up there to 215. So we might get stopped out on this pullback here. We're just at that all-time high right now. I think is a little hard. So kind of is what it is. So you can see 208. Probably could have got a better entry there, I would say. It's kind of frustrating. But again, we'll just kind of wait, see what happens in the next 15-minute candle. Again, pushing, man. Just getting stopped like crazy today. What's crazy about this candle pushed above the high being the 211.75. So we were like right there on the dot. Just needed to have a little bit more stop, a little bit more wiggle room there. But you can see, again, pretty much doing exactly what we were looking for there. All right, so this next 15-minute candle that just opened, we had too much range here. You can see the low being 208, the high being 218. So we're in the middle, just too much indecision. So we can't really do much because if this candle does push to a new high, our stop would be, too large there. If it pulled back below 208, it would be too large there. So again, we're just kind of waiting for the next 15-minute candle to give us a clear definition. Even though this is going to the moon right now, pushing higher there, we just don't have the perfect setup. And I think that's the issue right now too, is we're just at all-time highs, and there's going to be some wiggle room there. So not getting that setup that we're looking for, so we're going to stay away from it.